Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your Xbox controller recognized by Windows. Plug the cable or pair via Bluetooth and make sure settings shows Xbox controller. Once done, allow Windows to install the official drivers so the system exposes X input. GTA San Andreas reads X input best. Make sure Steam Big Picture or other controller overlays are closed because they can override input. Then quit GTA if it was open. You need a clean launch environment to avoid mapping conflicts. Next, map controls so the game interprets your inputs correctly. Try the in-game controls menu first. If buttons are unresponsive, use X360C because older GTA releases expect direct input. Put X360C exe in the GTA installation folder, run it, let it detect your device, and create the required Zinput DLL, then save. This step forces the game to see an Xbox-compatible controller. Test every button in the mapper to avoid surprises in driving. Finally, launch GTA San Andreas with the controller attached and confirm steering, accelerate, brake, and camera behavior. If an axis is reversed or sensitivity feels off, recalibrate the controller in Windows or adjust dead zone and mappings inside X360C, then save and relaunch. If the game still ignores input, disable Steam input for that title, update your Xbox drivers, or replace the Zinput DLL with a different version. One key tip: when things go wrong, relaunch the game after each change to ensure the new mapping loads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.